behalf of Central University Jammu, I'm really thankful to Garuda. They have done a fantastic platform for all of us. The showcase, I think our students have really enjoyed last 2 days. That is wonderful. I'm really thankful both the faculty at Garuda and same time your license holder is really do the wonderful job. But one of the fantastic things we incorporate, we will do the R&D as per your feedback, and hopefully we will give the contributions in controller design as well as the power appliances and motor control, right? So lastly, I will tell once again thank you to give such a wonderful platform for us, all of us, and very soon we will provide some solution to the country and defense, particularly defense in sector.
As a part of Central University of Jammu Electronics and Communication Department fraternity, I welcome Garuda Aerospace for this beautiful workshop which is organized by our department under the banner of Home Technology Application. So we have a very warm regards for the Garuda Aerospace to visit in this facility and provides a glimpse of our knowledge for the drones and technology.